All right, good day, everybody. Today I'm back with a project review, and this time of the project called Destra Network, or you can also call it DSYNC. That's the ticker. You have a coin market cap in front of me. I already did reviews of somewhat similar projects, PAL and GPU, that you can find on my channel. So it was time. We're also evaluating this project. So I will be going over everything from the tokenomics, the chart, the roadmap, of course, the utilities, the token utilities, and I will showing their X page. Let's see what the latest news is. And yeah, this could be an interesting one. I just only review projects that I actually think are interesting. There's no incentive for me or interest to review actual shit projects. Yeah, let's dive into it right away. I have the coin market cap page here in front of me. So what we can see here, we're just below 40 million market cap. We dropped quite a lot. Yeah, basically like almost every low cap has been dropping like mad, and DSYNC held up quite good for a while, as you can see in that range above 100 million. But once we started getting below, we had quite a dump there. So volume is still quite good, over 9 million of volume. You have a lot of holders, of course, over 50K holders. And here we can see the max supply is 1 billion. And the total supply, yeah, there's no minting of extra tokens. And also basically everything is circulating, which is very good and important. You don't want to have extra tokens being dumped on you, especially in the current market sentiment and conditions. Actually, there are a lot of buybacks as well. So and burns, so it makes it deflationary, and I will be getting into that in a minute. Okay, so that's the basics of the project, stats wise. Then of course always good to check what exchanges are they listed, and as you can see, they got quite a decent lineup. So the best one I would say is probably KuCoin on here, and they have HTX actually. You can see volume wise, HTX is far on top on volume. Very good exchanges, a lot of volume coming here from Asia. So they have a great lineup, I would say, especially for a project with this current market cap. So that's all good there. Then you always want to be taking a look at the holders. How is the token allocation? Are there massive whales in there, or is the division pretty good? Okay, so first of all, this is the top 10. From 6 onwards or 7 onwards, the division is very good. As you can see, then it's 61.06. There are a few big wallets. As you can see, this one is the biggest one. I haven't researched this wallet, but probably a good chance that this is should be one related to DSYNC themselves or a contract wallet. I don't suspect this of a holder. So just by taking a quick look, there's nothing bad here. But yeah, if you were going to get into it, it's always good to actually research the wallets there, or ask in the chat where's this wallet from, or you can just look at it yourself. And there's always good to know that. So who's the owner of these wallets? Of course, this is a big one, but I expect this is from the project itself. All right, let's dive into the website now. What is actually Destra? They have actually several utilities. So it's not just explained in one sentence, but it's an AI project. It's empowering the next generation AI with decentralized computing. So they have decentralized web hosting, but they have also training of LLMs of AI, and I will be getting into that. So here you can see Destra Network pioneers true decentralized computing solutions for the emerging AI economy. Our comprehensive suite of offerings is designed to immerse Web3 enthusiasts in authentic, decentralized AI the robust Destra GPU network and cloud solutions. So that's a big sentence, and here you'll be seeing some more information in there. I really like the branding actually of them. This is also something that is important. You want the project to have the branding and the user experience on point. And I believe, the colors and everything, it looks very good. Okay, so here you see one of the utilities, so you can train and use AI faster on Destra Network. So here you see several options to train the AI models for Twitter activity, token sentiment. There's a lot of token analysis, actual technical analysis with MACD model or RSI model. So you can train using that, and you can do that in a few simple clicks. I'll be showing that dashboard in a minute. But basically, you can use that, and you have to pay with the DSYNC tokens. You have to pay them, and that means the revenue will be going to the project. Then you see some more information in regarding to their utilities. And they also have cloud services. So if there's several cloud computing solutions, including decentralized web hosting, decentralized file storage, also something that's asked a lot, and NFT storage, which is probably something that's not too used right now, but always good to have. So as you can see right away, they have a large variety in actual utilities, and they and most importantly, they are being used. I will be getting to that in a minute. So the project is generating solid revenue because of these utilities. So then the team, as you can see here, the team is not fully doxed, which is, of course, it's not a necessity for a good project, but it's always an extra bonus. But they are KYC'd, so that's something that's at least done. Then you see here some big partnerships actually here. Anchor, Arbitrum, Filecoin, Hacken. These are all quite some big names. So that's good that they are mentioned in here. And they also have an AI-powered layer 3 blockchain with a complete suite of cloud services. So it's called an AI-powered layer 3. So that's interesting. Well, then you have some FAQ questions. You can be going over that if you want to know more. So like I said, it's quite an extensive project. So it will take a little bit to get to know the project. And if you really want to invest in it, I would also suggest, of course, to do your own research, to do more research than just this video. Then this is like their dashboard where they're showing some more information in regards to the AI agents. And you can see here information over the LLM training, the AI training. And you can see also the training cost. So it costs money, of course, to train, to use these services. And that revenue will go to the project. And part of that revenue will go towards buybacks and burns, but also revenue share for stakers. So they have a really good token model, I would say. This is just important to keep this keep dashboards like this on track, because sometimes the price does not correlate in the short term, but you can see the effects in the longer term. There you see the staking rewards. So there's total 32 million staked, and 580 ETH has been rewarded, which is a large amount, of course. So that means there's actual value to the token directly, because it's an ETH generating revenue token. So that means which is just something that's quite positive, that a token has not just staking in a native token, but actually has ETH rewards, which you can basically just since it's the second largest crypto, you can basically see this as cash, which you get by staking the token. So that's all from the revenue from the different utilities that they are offering. Then you also see the nodes, and you can also run a node there, and they also get rewards, which has been 150 ETH so far. Then you see some more options here. You can basically start directly from this dashboard. You can connect your wallet and start trading there. I'm not going to be showing you this in this video, but it's very easily done to go to this dashboard from the main website. You can go on top, click on deploy AI, or and go to the dashboard. The same thing here with the cloud services. So they have even more utilities, as they already explained on the main page. You have file storage, NFT storage, also decentralized domains, even blockchains here, and web hosting. So it's a wide variety of utilities that they are offering. And to do this, you cannot be just an amateur team. You really have to have a solid team of developers to even thinking about creating this, let alone successfully developing this and earning consistent income. Then some more info in regards to the documents. Here you can also see which more about their economic model. So how are they actually earning a revenue? So users are simply charged based on the computational power required for a task. So prices adjusting in real time according to its network demand and supply conditions. So you always know how much it will cost when you start or before you start. And this changes, which is very transparent. And the more, the heavier compute power you need, of course, the more it will cost. So, and they have some, some mathematics here. They have quite an extensive document section, which is also good. It's also important to have everything. If you want to use these utilities, you want to know everything. Right now, I'm just going over the project. I think most people will be interested if it's a good project or not to possibly invest in. But if you actually want to use these utilities, you really want to be, have every information here in depth. So I think that this good. And you can go over the tokenomics and the document. The document yourself. Let's see. Yeah, and then they have more in regards to how does the token connect to everything, which is very important. Yeah, I explained some of this already. There's rewards for contributions, payments for services. So users consuming network services, they will pay. They use Destra tokens. It means they have to actually buy them on the open market, which is great. Then there are other token utilities like governance, and they can make decisions on protocol updates, resource allocation, which is another utility to the token. And of course, then there is staking. Can stake Destra tokens as a security measurement. Let's move on. So then the roadmap, I looked at the roadmap, and basically the roadmap is something that's outdated, which is, that will be important to update for the project, because basically everything that's done already here. And we're now at the end of 2025, so it will be important for them to actually have an update and see where they're going. So they have been very, building very much in 2024, and they're still building, of course, but it's always good to see what they're actually planning on doing in the future. So that's a suggestion for them there. Then let's move on to the X page here. So as you can see, they're still building. You can see here some big upgrades on the technical side, more updates on the technical side. You see rewards for the node distribution. And here's some milestones. That's always important to have stats like this posted on the X page. You can see here a large amount of real rewards. And yeah, you see that the ecosystem is very active, which is good to see. Also on the X page, I think they're using very good branding. It's all the same style branding, and yeah, that part is on point. more reward distribution. And here we see the buybacks as well. So they're having some more refunds, rewards that they're going to be using for buybacks. It was in early October, and they're also going to be burning it, which is something I really like. It simply makes the protocol deflationary, and on the short term it may not do that much, but on the longer term it really has an impact. Okay, then a tweet here. This was from yesterday actually. We see here the admin here is planning more buybacks, which actually the buybacks are great, of course, but yeah, this is not something I will do personally. Writing it like that to support the chart, the current levels, I will just do the buybacks and announce them, or yeah, say it a bit more in a neutral way. Basically. But yeah, that's just the way of bringing it. All in all, it looks very good. So the project dropped a lot, but that means it could be going to undervalued territory. You have to make up your own mind and look at the revenue they're actually earning and comparing this to other projects. The reason I choose this one is because I think it's a very solid project. That has multiple utilities and multiple token utilities as well. So I think that's it for this one. I would say just take a look at their website, look at their Twitter page, look at the Telegram, and see what they're up to. And yeah, try to survive in current market conditions. And always, if you're getting an entry like this, important to DZA and not just buy the whole bag at once. As people have seen, there's no really rush to buying in the current market. All right, that's it for this one. If you like the video, subscribe and leave a comment. I will leave all the links from DSYNC in the description as well, so you can take a look at there. Have a good one.